Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall any apps or programs on your Lenovo Horizon 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the start button right here or right here. Let me close the keyboard for now. And from here we need to scroll down and find settings. Now click on the apps right here and go to this apps right here. Now if you want to uninstall something, press on the app you want to uninstall and select uninstall, then confirm. Like that. Now the uninstall setup will begin and you'll need to just follow it through. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.